bigla naman ako tinanong. Pwede mo mainom ng tubig? Kasi talagang kinakabahan ako. Ayun. Hello po! Bago ako muna kumanda. Taga saan ba yung lahat? Pero sino kayong pinakamalayo sa akin? Meron bang taga-apari dito? Ano? Zamboanga. Germany. Wow. You know.
Yes!
Oh. Okay po. Hindi po tayo nagpunta ngayon para i-represent yung lugar. Hindi naman po. Anyway, dahil sa sobrang ganda ng mga songs ngayon, alam mo, sobra akong na-challenge sa pagpili ng aking spot. Sipin mo naman. Jude Mateta, Milis, Jonga, Sir Martin. Naisip ko, para hindi ko kayo ma-disappoint, na magbiyahe pa kayo na napakalayo-layo. Nag-effort ako to research, you know. And feeling ko, ito yung magugusto. Feeling ko lang naman. And this very special day, I want to go back to the classics, OPM. Hello po. Para yung mga nasa likod, kunwari ang dami kong fans. Yan! Direct! Yun. Ayun, wala na yung papapap. Anyway, as you remember, I am part of a singing competition in the Philippines before I went to America on my dream. And this very artist believed in me by saying, alam mo, ikaw mismo ang maghahanap ng sarili mong swerte. Nagkita niyo ba yun? Kumari lang, yes, yes. And I want to honor him by singing some of his hits. Kasi nararapat naman, hindi ko pa siya nakita. I want to thank him. And tonight, I want to honor my mama. Saan kayo nakaupo yun? Saan kayo? Ayun. Pasensya na. Wala akong SVIP. Diyan lang muna kayo. Tapos kasi sa akin. Anyway, I want to offer, I want to dedicate this song to my mama because she is the real definition of a champion. And to all mommies, mga mommies, kayong lahat dito are champion. Yes? Thank you po.
yun mga kapolitika ang patikim na performance ni Sofronio Vasquez dito sa kailang naging concert sa Newport sa World Resort noong February 14, 2026 sa Marriott Grand Ballroom kasama yung mga kapamilya artists na sina Martin Rivera, Sofronio Vasquez, Jed Madela, Jonah at si Clarice T. Guzman. So, nagsama-sama po yung mga bigating mga pamilya artists para sa isang event noong February 14 na kung saan ay tinawag Champions of the Heart. At yung director po pala nito mga kapolitika ay walang iba kundi si John Prats. So, aside dito sa naging event nila sa Newport World Resort noong February 14 ay magkakaroon po ng mga series of event itong si Sofronio Vasquez, hindi lang po sa Pilipinas mga kapolitika kundi pati na rin sa ibang bansa, specifically dito sa North America. So in this video is atin pong pag-uusapan yung mga susunod na mga event ni Sofronio Vasquez bilang isang mang-awit. So following his victory on The Voice US Season 26, Sofronio Vasquez a series of upcoming performances in February 2026, including a major mall tour in the Philippines and a North American concert series starting in April 2026. So kahapon is pumunta po si Sofronio dito sa Robinson's Ilocos Show. February 15, 2026. Location, Robinson's Ilocos, San Nicolas, Ilocos Norte. And then sa February 21 naman po is magkakaroon ng mall tour rin itong si Sofronio sa Robinson's Magnolia. February 21, 2026 at 4 p.m. The Atrium Robinson's Magnolia, Quezon City. Music Festival Solo Performance. Description: part of the R Music Fest series featuring powerful vocal performances in an intimate mall setting. 2026 International Tour dates. Sofronio is set to headline the top tier concert tour in Canada alongside OPM icons Eric Santos, Jonah, and Christian Bautista. Date: April 30, 2026 sa Toronto, Canada. At sa May 2 naman is babalik itong si Sofronio dito sa Edmonton, Canada, Edmonton Expo Center. And then meron rin pong event si Sofronio sa Calgary, Canada sa May 3, 2026. An Evening with the Stars, a gala performance on February 12, 2026, honoring Filipino artists. Vin de Honor 2026, a prestigious performance for the Philippine President and foreign diplomats in January 2026. So yun po yung mga previous na mga event ni Sofronio Vasquez. At hopefully mga kapolitika ay makasama itong si Sofronio na magpe-perform dito sa ASEAN Summit dahil dito nga sa ating bansa gaganapin yung ASEAN 2026 sa May na po yan. Okay, kasi parang malapit naman itong si Sofronio dito sa kay Pangulong Bongbong Marcos at sa First Lady na si Liza Araneta Marcos. So hopefully is ma-hire at si Sofronio yung mapipili na magpe-perform rito sa sa ASEAN Summit sa May 2026. And so far mga kapolitika, yun po ang ating mga pinaka-latest at mga upcoming na mga event ni Sofronio Vasquez dito sa loob at labas ng bansa. So ngayon naman is atin pong panonoorin ang concert, ang performance ni Sofronio Vasquez dito sa Grand Ballroom sa Marriott Hotel kasama yung ibang mga kapamilya artist.
Ikaw pa rin ang buhay ko, kahit kung ako ay di na maghihintay ng anumang kapalit ng inanay kong mag-ibig. Ngunang ang Dapat babae ko yung tinangin niyo. Ang lahat sa'yo'y ibinigay, kahit di mo man pinapansin. Di kita magkakabay. Huwag mo lang ipagkait na ikaw ay akin. Thank you so much. Pwede ba ako lumapit doon? Are you ready for this? Ang pag-ibig ay salyang ganyan. Alam mo? Wala paliwanag mo'y hindi na kailangan. Ating mong pag-ibig wala pakialam. Basta mahal kita kailan pa man. Sabay-sabay. Pwede ba tayo sabay-sabay? Let's go! Mahal kita, pagkat mahal kita. Please, ay hindi mahalaga. Mahal kita, ano sunod? Parang nawawala na. Can I call it some friends? Anyway, oh, here's another friend. Where is yours?
I was gonna watch you. Are we having fun? Let's hear it for Sophronia Vasquez, huh? That young man has done so many things for us. Put us on the map with The Voice, season 26, yes? But as I look back, I don't know if you know this, I just celebrated a birthday. If you're wondering what this chair is for, it's very John Pratt's, just so you know. If you've watched any John Pratt show, there's always a throne. This is the biggest one we could find. In my 44 years in show business, if there's anything I'm proud of, it's being able to see such great talents. It's very nice for a singer like myself to see these great talents. So when Anna Puro approached me and said, would you like to do a show? Bridget Madonna, Jonah, Clarice, and Sophronio, I immediately said yes, because I want to be part of history. 44 years. How many of you were there for all 44 years? Yes. And now I can say yes, when music was black and white. And now I can say that I did a show with the singers of tomorrow. I had a piece of that. So I'm proud to say that when I accepted this gig, that I get to say I was part of the beginning of their career as they make it to their 44 years. And you'll be there screaming for them, yes? That is my dream, my wish, my birthday wish, is to live long enough to see my children realize their dreams. They're also my children, and I can't wait until they realize their dreams the way I have. But these dreams could never have been reality without each and every one of you. Maraming salamat. Sabi na lang ako, direct, you know? The whole show, it's your birthday, you know? Dapat dito ka. Mamel. Well, this I can say. Of the many things I've done in my 44 years, I can say this. Of the many things I'm proud of, I'm the only singer in the Philippines. You're all waiting, right? I'm the only singer in the Philippines with a Valentine song. And I never sing it. So, Margaret, just a little, so we can say that we've done it. And if you know it, please sing along. It's so John Price. I was for you, always loving me. Though you always be, share my feelings. As we walk along the avenue, one minute I just can't get staring at you. Everybody, you are the one that I desire. When we touch, when we want, you light a fire. The seasons we share, how the night seems to feel more time. Each day with you becomes oh.